Hi creative souls, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you in good health. And yes, today these two cuties are getting their hairs. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to attach both these hairs. You can see that I have two varieties. One is in this curlicue or the swirl forms, and this one where I have separated the yarns and made it into a curly one. As for the preparation of this hair, I already have a video. I will link it in the description box below. You can watch that. Besides the hair, we will need the help of these few tools, a crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a scissor to trim off the edges at the end. So we'll take the help of these few tools and let's begin. If you're new here, I'm Lu and I make knitting and crochet tutorials mostly, and at times I make DIY videos too. So if your interest resonates with what I do here, I would very much appreciate it if you could just subscribe, like, or comment down below. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to see more contents. Let's begin with the curlicue ones here. So for this, we will take our needle and take one of the ends, just thread into your needle, and then we will sew it on top of the unicorn. On the hair, we'll just sew it like that. And depending on depending on the length of your unicorn, you will have to make this curlicue shorter or longer. Between the ears and just behind the horn, we are going to make our stitches here. And just sew it up here. And then tie it with this one. Tie it with the other end. Second knot, tighten it, and that's pretty firm already. See, that's pretty firm. So we will just hide this tail, the remaining tails. Insert it, come out of the body in any direction. Make sure that you come out in between the stitches here, like this. So that is out. And put this one in. And then just push this one and come out on another direction. Just before that, thread in your remaining yarn. Like this. And then come out of it. You can just trim off this one like that. And that's it. When you have secured the two longer curly queues, now you go ahead and put on your shorter curly queues here, a little further away from this line, a little downward, maybe right here. Put it there and attach it. And also the two shorter curly queues will be here, and the other two longer ones, they will go up in this level again, like that. So go in and attach all of them, and I will see you back. And so that is it. Just sew the curly queues to the top of the head and arrange the color accordingly, and that's it. Simple as that. Now for this one, in the previous video, I had actually straightened it out and made it very smooth, shiny and straight, but I want to try out with this curly one. It looks so fancy, fluffy and nice. So I'm gonna try out with this one. So it's the same method of attaching. I'm gonna pick 3 strands of yarn from here, 3 different colors, 3 strands like this. Now I'll try my best to arrange them so that the length is the same. Otherwise we can just trim it off later. That's not an issue. Now we'll need the help of hook here. Just fold it like this. Again, same. You will need to measure your own unicorn for how long you want your hairs to be. So mine is approximately this. I can trim off a little bit, but that's okay. I like a long hair. So fold the yarns like this. Go into the stitch. Anywhere is fine. Grab all these 3. Pull it through. And then don't pull all the way through yet. Pull it through just that much. And now we are going to take this through the loop and just pull like that. Now that secures it. That's how we are going to fix this strands. Again, I pick out 3 other colors. 3 colors, same thing. Fold it in half. Take my hook. Go through the stitch. Pull it out. Then I can just pull them through like this. Super easy, right? It's already forming a nice fluffy hairs. I don't know if I will need to put all of them. It will look too much, I think. But yeah, let me try out and see. So I'll just do once more. Make sure it's 3 colors so that the proportion is right. There, just like that. Now so we will keep placing it like that through every stitch in every round. We can see the rounds here, you can see it here, 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 here. So through every stitch in every row or round, we are gonna put an maybe when you reach the middle or something here like this, it should be enough. So continue putting the hairs like this. I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Just a small tip. To work easier, just flip the hairs up like this and then work below. This will ease up your work and you'll be able to do it without disturbing the other hairs. So I put all the yarn that was there. I think it's really voluminous. Now just adjust it like this and haha, it's really fluffy. So now there are some uneven ends here like this. You can just even it out by trimming it off. Need serious help, people. I need your opinion on this. The unicorn that I made is kind of too plain here on the face part especially, so I thought I would make this look like a horse. So I kind of you know, decreased this part and made it, but instead of looking like a unicorn, I think it's looking more like cow or more like a oh, buffalo, I guess. I don't know, so I haven't even completed yet. So guys, let me know, what should I make this into, a cow or a unicorn? So here are the two unicorns after their hairs are being attached, and see how cute they are. um let me know which one of them do you prefer in the comment section below. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do make one, please tag me on Instagram and also on Facebook so that I can show off on my stories. Alright, um, thank you so much for watching, guys. That is it for today, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.